How to create and use a budget. Let's face it, managing money can be tricky. Luckily, there's a simple yet powerful tool that can help. That's right, a budget. So how exactly do you create and, more importantly, use a budget? First, list out all your monthly expenses: rent, groceries, utilities, everything. Scott Credit Union offers free online tools that can help you categorize them, making budgeting a breeze. After that, review. Fixed expenses like rent or car payments are easy. You know exactly how much you owe each month. But variable expenses like groceries or entertainment can be trickier. Here's a tip. Track your spending for a month to see how much you typically spend in each category. The next step, compare your income to your expenses. If the numbers aren't adding up, look at adjusting your variable expenses, just for now. Small changes can make a big difference. Another thing to keep in mind is that a budget isn't set in stone. Life happens and unexpected expenses may pop up. Just revisit your budget regularly and adjust as needed. And if you get lucky and extra cash comes your way, use some of it and pay down your debt or boost your savings. Scott Credit Union has a variety of savings accounts with great rates that can help you reach your financial goals. You could also put some of that money into a share certificate or money market account. So take control of your money today. Remember, a budget is your key to financial freedom. Hope this helps, and check out our other videos for more tips.